Now, now we'll see about the development of male gametophyte. Male gametophyte means male gamete producing structure. The male gamete producing structure is the male gametophyte, and it is produced by the microspore. Microspore germinate and form the male gametophyte. The microspore is haploid in nature. The microspores are, a number of microspores are produced from primary microspore mother cell. Microspore mother cell by meiosis produces microspores. So all the microspores are haploid in nature. The microspore is the first cell of the male gametophyte. In the microspore, there is a haploid nucleus, and the haploid nucleus divides into two during its germination, so that vegetative nucleus and generative nucleus will be produced. This is vegetative nucleus and this is generative nucleus. Due to the division of the nucleus, two nuclei will be produced. One is vegetative nucleus, another one is generative nucleus. After the division of the nucleus, wall formation takes place, so that a smaller cell and a larger cell will be produced. The smaller cell is the generative cell, the larger one is the vegetative cell. Vegetative cell is larger, containing irregular nucleus. The nucleus of the vegetative cell is irregular. It is larger, the cell is larger, the nucleus is irregular, with abundant reserve food materials. Food materials will be numerous. Numerous food materials, reserve food materials can be seen in the vegetative cell. So, three qualities we can say for vegetative cell. It is large. Vegetative cell is large, containing irregular nucleus and containing abundant reserve food materials. Whereas the generative cell is smaller, the nucleus is spherical shape. It is not irregular, it is spherical shape. Here only the irregular nucleus can be seen. The nucleus is spherical shape and it contains less amount of reserve food material. So that's the difference between vegetative cell and generative cell. So this is the two-celled stage of the pollen grain. After the wall formation, the pollen grain is divided into two cells. One is generative cell, another one is vegetative cell. This is two-celled stage. What are the names of the two-celled stage? One is vegetative cell, another one is generative cell. These two are the cells formed after the wall formation. Sometimes the generative cell divides into two male gamete. Now it is three-celled stage. What are the three cells? One is vegetative cell, another one is one male gamete, another one is another male gamete. 1, 2, 3. Three-celled state. The pollen grains will be dispersed or liberated from the anther either in the two-celled state or in the three-celled state. Most of the 60% of the angiosperm in 60% of the angiosperm, only two-celled stage of the pollen grains will be liberated, will be dispersed and reaches the stigma. Sometimes, in some of the cases, pollen grains are liberated in three-celled state. One is vegetative cell, another one male gamete, another one another male gamete. So, under three-celled state, the pollen grains may be liberated. Further growth of the male gametophyte occur in the stigma of the gynoecium. So, these are all the changes takes place in the development of male gametophyte. Microspore that produces pollen grains. Pollen grains contain nucleus. The haploid nucleus divides into two nuclei. One is vegetative nucleus, another one is generative nucleus. After that, after the division of the nucleus, wall formation takes place. That is a cross wall form, and that divides the cell into two. One is generative cell, another one is vegetative cell. The vegetative cell and generative cell, when they are present, the pollen grain is called two-celled state. After that, the generative cell divides into two male gamete. Now, the stage of the pollen grain is three-celled state. Majority of the cases, 60% of the angiosperm under two-celled state, the pollen grains will be liberated during pollination that will reach the stigma of the gynoecium. Further growth of the male gametophyte will be taking place in the stigma of the gynoecium. So, up to this microspore, and these are all the male gametophyte. Once the microspore divides into two or three or something like that, from that onwards, we have to say it is the male gametophyte. These are all the changes of the male gametophyte.